What's up, online shoppers? I want to show you one of my favorite cleaning tools. Now, we use our washing machine to clean our clothes, but we sometimes forget that they need to be cleaned too. Now, this is the washing machine cleaner by Active. It is enzyme-based cleaning products that use really nice ingredients that you will actually recognize the name of. No harsh chemicals, and I like that. Now, how do you make this work? It's pretty easy. There's only 4 steps involved. The first thing you're gonna do is start with an empty washing machine. You are going to open it up. You're gonna set it on a clean cycle with hot water, and you're gonna take one of the little tabs that's in here, take it out of the package, pop it in your washing machine, close the door, and let the cycle run. Once the cycle has run, you are going to open up the door, and you're gonna take a nice cloth and wipe all around on the inside of your washing machine to remove any of the built-up residue that this has stripped from the drum of your washer, and then you just leave the door open and let it dry. Make sure you don't close the door after you've run this, because all washing machines gets that kind of like musty, mildewy smell if you leave the door closed. So you're gonna wanna make sure that once you've run this through, done a cycle, allowed it to clean, wiped out the inside, that you let it sit. As I said before, these are all ingredients that you recognize. What's this one here? That's right, baking soda. We know what a powerhouse that is for cleaning. Now, this box is a 1-year supply. Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. There you go. I have one of the tablets opened already. This one here, that's what the tablets look like. They're 2 colored. There's a blue on one side and white on the other. I'm sure that's like the different ingredients in there. But there are 24 tablets in here, each of them individually wrapped. And according to the manufacturer's recommendations, this is a 1-year supply. So you buy this once, and then you've got a clean washing machine for the rest of the year using these twice a month. Now, I don't know about you, but I have these guys that live at my house, AKA my sons and my husband, and all of them work in the trades. They're outside, they're dirty, they're greasy, and the inside of my washing machine sometimes gets a really dirty buildup. And what I love about this product is this actually takes that buildup off the inside of the drum, and it's making clothes washing better, because sometimes I've actually taken clothes out of the washing machine and seen the grime and buildup that comes off of their greasy, dirty clothes transfer from the drum onto what's supposed to be clean clothes. This helps to prevent that, and I love it. Another great thing about these little tablets is that they work with all washing machines. Now, whether you have a high efficiency washing machine, whether you have a top load, whether you have a front load, whether you have an agitator-less machine, or if you have one of the machines that has an agitator in it, name brand, Maytag, Whirlpool, Kenmore, you name it, these work with everything, and I love that. Now, like I said, this is a 1-year supply, except they came out with a new scent and I want to try it. It's citrus scent. Has like a nice fresh lemony orangey smell. So you can get this in the original, or you can get it in citrus scent. So if you were looking for a great way to help make cleaning your clothes easier, not like somebody's gonna fold them or wash them for you, but if it'll keep your washing machine in better condition, these washing machine tabs by Active that are enzyme-based are definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.